video relates to fifth year students of Introduction to Research Methodology. This is for their guidance in preparation for the paper. Now, first of all, let me tell you that there are 50 marks for the section B statistics, and there are 5 questions in your question paper. Question number 1 is from theory, that is of 10 marks, and that theory is usually taken from chapter number 1. But please also prepare sampling for the theory, that there can be some change or drift in the pattern, so prepare chapter number 1 along with the sampling for theory. Then question number 2 from chapter 2, 3, 4. As we had discussed, there are 3 chapters. Chapter number 2 is of graphs and charts and frequency distribution. Chapter number 3 of mean, median, mode, quartile, percentile, decile. And chapter number 4 is of measure of dispersion, in which you have to do only standard deviation, variance, and coefficient of variation. So from these three chapter you will have one question that can contain 2 parts from a chapter or 3 parts from all these chapters. Question number 3 is from correlation, chapter number 10. Then we had discussed in class that correlation is very important in the sense that it is a complete question in the paper from this topic. correlation की सारी एग्जाम्पल और लेक्चर मैंने ऑलरेडी अपलोड कर दिया है. Then question number 4 comes from testing of hypothesis. Testing of hypothesis has 3 topics: t-test, chi-square test, and testing of attributes. You can go for it or you can skip it in choice, because there is 100% choice in the paper. And question number 5 is again from the theory portion. This question includes short notes from 4 different topics and from the entire book. There can be one short note from chapter number 1, one from chapter number 4, 3, and one from sampling. So this is a hodgepodge question which can include any topic from the book which is theoretical. Okay, now how to prepare the paper? First of all, prepare your question number 1, that is of 10 marks, because this is compulsory. You have no choice in question number 1. This is a compulsory question. So you have to select question number 1 and you have to attempt it because it is compulsory. Now for theory, very important chapter is chapter number 1. In this you have long questions and short notes. Long questions include characteristic, function, limitation, meaning of statistics, then data collection, primary and secondary data, its sources, and all the short definitions of variable. And there is a variable, constant, quantitative, qualitative. All the concepts are very important. Again, I am saying this, there is a topic which is not in your book, but I had discussed in the class: application of statistics in home economics or in field of food and nutrition, or your any relevant field, or in research. This topic is very important because it usually comes and repeats after every 2-3 years. State the importance of statistics in home economics, states the importance of statistics in food and nutrition, importance of statistics in housing, or importance of statistics in research. I will upload a lecture soon on this topic. So you have 6 or 7 very important topics that I had mentioned. After that, also study sampling for theoretical attemptation, because sampling chapter is also very important for theory purpose. Usually question number 1 comes from chapter number 1, but please don't be negligent. Also prepare sampling, because if there is a change in the pattern, then you can go for the theory. Okay, then question number 2 is from chapter number 2, 3, 4. There can be a part of graph or a frequency distribution. Then there will be a question in which you have to calculate different measures like mean, median, mode, standard deviation, correlation, as a coefficient of variation, and variance. There can be a question which includes two or three parts that, for example, you have to find mean, median, and standard deviation of some given data. So question number 2 will include one part from chapter number 2 and one part which contains different measures from chapter 3 and 4. Question number 3 is from correlation. Correlation is very important. Question number 4 is from testing of hypothesis. If you know and you can do this, you should go for it. But if you haven't studied it well, then you can skip it for choice. Then question number 5 is from theory again. This question is different from question number 1 in the sense that question number 1 includes a long question, but question number 5 includes short notes from all chapters and sampling. I have already mentioned again and again because students usually skip this part. Sampling is not important, do this, no, don't do this and like this and that. Please, I'm saying that you can only skip testing of hypothesis in choice, but all other topics are equally important, including sampling. टेस्टिंग ऑफ हाइपोथेसिस को स्किप कर सकते हैं, बट बाकी सारा जो आपने सिलेबस पढ़ा है दैट इज़ इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट. And for those who had studied testing of hypothesis, they can also go for 100% पेपर प्रिपरेशन. ये सिर्फ मैं उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए कह रही हूँ जिनके लिए हाइपोथेसिस टेस्टिंग थोड़ी सी टफ है. दे हैव टू स्टडी ऑल अदर कंटेंट फ्रॉम द बुक इंक्लूडिंग सैम्पलिंग फॉर प्रॉपर प्रिपरेशन. अब जो लोग थ्योरी के ऊपर ज़्यादा कमांड रखते हैं उनके लिए ज़्यादा बेटर ये है कि वो पहले चैप्टर 1 और सैम्पलिंग प्रिपेयर कर लें और फिर उसके बाद कोई एक ऐसा टॉपिक प्रिपेयर कर ले जो उन्हें इजी लगता है, लाइक कोरिलेशन हो गया. कोरिलेशन एक बहुत सेफ टॉपिक है और उसका लेक्चर ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड है मेरे यूट्यूब लेक्चर्स पे. देन चैप्टर 2, 3 और 4 का एक हॉच पॉच क्वेश्चन आएगा जिस पे आप ग्राफ प्रिपेयर कर लेते हैं. अगर आप उसमें फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बनाना सीख लेते हैं तो आपका एक पार्ट उसमें सेफ हो जाता है. इसी तरह 2, 3 और 4 में से मीन, मीडियन, मॉड, क्वार्टाइल, परसेंटाइल, साइल्स की कैलकुलेशन भी ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड हैं अनग्रुप के लिए भी और ग्रुप के लिए भी. काइंडली आप उनको भी रेफ़र करें. एंड देन अगेन फॉर चैप्टर 4 यू हैव टू फाइंड स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन, वेरिएंस एंड कोफिशिएंट ऑफ वेरिएंस. और ये भी मैं आपको एक दो दिन में इंशाल्लाह आपका ये अपलोड कर दूँगी लेक्चर. सो यू विल हैव कंप्लीट गाइड ऑन माय यूट्यूब लेक्चर्स. बेस्ट ऑफ लक.